Step 1 is to take your sublimation ink and transfer the ink into the appropriate bottle. We are using SubliShop dye sublimation ink, available in the description below. Now repeat for all colors. You may want to put some paper down as this can get messy. Next, go ahead and peel off the tape around the ink tanks. Step 4 is to fill up the ink tanks. Repeat this for all colors. Helpful tip: hold the bottle on but don't squeeze it. Step 6, take all the tape off the printer and put your sublimation paper into the rear feed tray. Now this is done, go ahead and download the Epson Smart Panel app. The link for this is in the description. Once downloaded, connect the printer to Wi-Fi. Once connected to Wi-Fi, you can copy these settings and you can now print high-quality images from your phone. Once overwrite comes up, click yes, and these settings will now be saved. If you require any help, please leave a comment or email us, help@sublishop.co.uk.